we're going to the farm, Ecofarm, picking strawberries. It is raining, but I don't know when we get there. But it's raining. Bus stop, K66. Organic Ecopark. Upstairs? Here. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Front.
Okay. Where?
Yeah, here.
Where?
Everywhere.
Okay.
Right there. And here.
Please hold the
It's raining. It's raining.
I can drive.
See?
Pwede mo sumakay dito sa unahan.
In front. Yay!
Wait. Why are we going that way?
I don't know.
Going back.
I don't know the driver.
No.
It's raining! Oh my god! So we are here now after like 20 minutes. Yes, this way. We will walk.
Sander, bag in the
Be
front.
careful.
Bag in the front. Mababasa ng ulan. Asan pa?
You know guys, this is labong oh.
Talaga siya. Tapos may balimbing.
Welcome to Tong Organic Ecopark. Yay! Ticket office. 120.
Yes ba? Sander, can you check it? It's not closed.
Open.
The stop sign is only for the vehicles. It
Oh.
said vehicles are not allowed in the park except for the
So
authorized ones.
we pass here.
Kaya pumunta tayo sa ticketing office. Tingnan natin kung anong nila. I didn't see the ticketing tag.
Rrr.
Can we just go back to where normal?
Oh, pineapple here.
Can I just wear my bag my normal place now? Can I?
Oh, yeah.
Hello. You're open, right? Can I see the package? The ticket? Yeah, the package. One package sheet? Yeah. Ooh, it's many things. No. No, sticker. For what? I need to see first how.
sticker
Package. Wait. So this is activity package 130 each, right? What is the activity that we can use? We can do.
Sander, can you talk to her?
咁我哋今日可以做咩㗎？
小朋友嗱，你今日咧可以餵魚餵小動物咯，餵馬咯。
咁有冇其他㗎？
因為如果落緊雨咧，單車又好難踩。
咁有冇其他啊？除咗
暫時依家睇嚟淨係呢啲嘅啫。
they said we can only do the feeding one.
Of feeding of the animals?
I don't like to feed the animal. How about the strawberry picking?
咁士多啤梨汁
落緊
嘅
雨，如果你士多啤梨咧另外嘅呢個50蚊，
士
呢個
多
80蚊，即係
How much?
130蚊一個。
嚇
130蚊一個士多啤梨，
How much?
幾多士多啤梨㗎？
睇自己食咯，摘幾多食幾多，
咁你嗰帶翻屋企啊？
冇得帶翻屋企，如果帶翻屋企另外俾錢買。
Huh? You have to eat inside.
If you want to bring outside, you need to pay.
But if you eat inside,
You still have to pay. How much is the strawberry picking?
咁士多啤梨汁係幾多錢㗎？
即係130蚊咯，每個人。
130 per person。
Strawberry picking, right?
Yes.
You can only do one strawberry picking, right?
即係可以執士多啤梨一次嘅。
你可以喺個場裏邊至到6點鐘，
咁可以攞幾多㗎？
啊
冇得拎走嘅，喺個食。
唔係，咁可以攞幾多啊？
冇得攞走。
唔係可以攞幾多食嘅？
你隨得你食，冇限你攞幾多食。
Okay.
Yeah, 130 per person. You can get as much as you can eat,
Okay.
but you can't leave some leftovers. You
Okay.
need to eat as much as you can.
Okay.
If you eat too much and you full and you want to bring it out, you cannot.
How about isa lang ang kukunin natin
Oo.
yung strawberry picking. Tutulungan na lang natin
Oo.
siya. Tapos,
Pwede.
kasi hindi ako kakain
Oo.
eh. Sige.
Okay.
Um,
One picking. One strawberry picking.
One strawberry picking.
One strawberry?
Mm.
Yeah. And then two, this one.
No one.
唔係，即係如果我哋想攞士多啤梨，
可以㗎，50蚊日場費。跟住你去摘士多啤梨，摘幾多段放去稱，明唔明啊？
明啊？
Oh, what she said.
咁你哋3個都可以去摘，不過而家錄緊魚啊，唔好去摘啦。
Okay, what she said.
咁即係要等到落雨停到先就可以執嘅。
唔係你，其實你好難摘咯，即係咁啊，咁大魚。你先買咗50蚊嘅日場費咯，你要唔要個 package 啊？餵魚餵小動物。但係士多啤梨你一陣間冇魚嗰時行過去摘咯，摘完之後
package
斷放。
I know what you mean. See that it's very far that you have to walk. There's no vehicle that to bring you, but it's raining, so it'll be very hard due to the
Picking.
rain.
To picking the strawberry, right?
Yeah, because it's raining.
So what we gonna do now?
So you can pick now, or you can wait till the rain and
Stop, right?
Yeah, or maybe it will not.
But I don't want that. I just want to go and strawberry picking. That's all.
咁你一陣間冇魚開。
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we will
你
pay.
明唔明白啊，小朋友？即係你要士多啤梨要拎翻屋企咧，要俾錢嘅。
He said if you want to bring it back home, then
You have to pay, right?
Yes, but technically it matters of how many grams you pick.
Okay. The problem was how much is it now?
咁依家入場費幾多錢
150.
50蚊一個，
？150 for all three of us.
Okay.
50蚊一個，即係150。
Yet go. One ticket.
$50 per person.
Ah, okay.
呢個貨票
哦你
去好遠嗰下嘅喎。
Iba ikikip ko na lang kasi
This is 150. 50 each. I mean, 50 each.
overpricing ka. Okay, let's go.
Huh?
Bye.
Wait, where's
You
my
see?
one?
You see the color of my shirt and this one is the same.
Wait, where's my sticker?
Welcome to Ecopark. It's raining. It's raining. Oh my god.
Sa $50,
Lahat.
pwede kang hindi, entrance yun.
Oh,
Pwede kang mangitas ng
strawberry.
strawberry. Pero kakainin mo dito.
Ah,
Pag gusto mong ilabas, titimbangin nila kung magkano yun.
oo.
Parang ganun ba pagkakaintindi ko?
Hoy, hala, alam ko to. Parang cereally ito. Ayan, oh.
Yan po na yan. Ay, yun yata yung 5 fingers, di ba?
Hindi. Cereally yan. Parang siryali ito talaga, really. May bunga yan na maasim na bilog. Tapos yung ngipin mo magngitim din. Yung mabuto-butong
Ano yun? Hindi yun yung binibilog mo muna para lumambot?
Hindi. Oo, oo.
Hindi
Oh my God. Horse paddock.
Hindi naman. Ano bang tayo? Papatakbo ng kabayo.
Oh no.
Nasaan ang kabayo?
Nasaan yung kabayo? Tayo muna magkabayuhan. Dito ikot-ikot lang?
Oh, yan yung. Yung hanggang doon.
Ha?
Yung paikot yun hanggang doon sa may dulo.
Ah.
Okay. Kaya lang walang kabayo. Inailan.
Walang kabayo eh. Tayo muna mga bayo.
Where's all the horse?
Keep quiet daw.
Where's all the horse?
Oh, nasaan na tayo?
Sana.
Where's all the horse?
Tingnan mo kung pwedeng pumasok tayo. Tingnan mo kung pwede tayong pumasok sa kabayo. Ha?
Can we enter here?
Quay mà.
Kaya,
Interpret for
啲有
please.
冇入場券㗎？
ano?
行黐喺東眼位
No,
置。
that's feeding the horse.
Ah, feeding the horse.
Yeah.
Ano, no.
Oh.
嚇。
No,
Okay.
maybe we will go somewhere. Ooh. Stable block.
All the horses are there.
Oh, that's why.
Gila ka.
Baka.
Hindi.
Oh my.
How come they don't have a drainage here?
Jackfruit. So you can see guys, we are in Hong Kong. Because of that red balloon. My favorite. Like, this is my favorite. What is this apple? Wax apple? Ano yung wax apple? Mabolo?
Ano?
Wax apple.
Makopa.
Makopa. Ooh. Mabolo. This one. Star fruit. Can we pass here? Just take a picture. Punta tayo doon? Upo tayo? Deep water. Welcome! Oh my goodness. You see? Of course. Don't forget green cross. This is the strawberry farm. Look. Oh. Very, it's like native. Right? Alam mo, ang ganda pag nakapayong. Ang liwanag. Ang liwanag.
What happened? It died?
What? Yeah. They cut it.
But why?
What is that? Wow. Ano onion? Ang laki oh. Ganyan pala yun.
Cauliflower.
Sili oh.
Ayun yun yung cauliflower na green. Kita mo yun?
This one.
Yun o, yun.
Can I get the strawberry?
Oh. Very small.
There's no strawberry. Diba
Look
season
at that.
na ngayon ng strawberry?
It's like native. I'm sure it's sour. You can't eat that.
Okay. Sander.
I have one question. If we buy the ticket,
Oh, this is lettuce section and tomatoes. But tomatoes is like dying, right? Huh? I don't like it. Look, strawberry. Hold it. Let me see. The other one is where?
Oh, look at all the water drops. So cute.
Here. That one, oh. That one, oh.
Don't squish.
It's rotten. Okay. Only the red one.
You need to ask first. You check to Yvette first if it is okay, then it's...
Is this okay?
Yeah, that one. That's good. I don't want to. Maybe this one is. Ah! It's rotten. I'm like a. You know. Oh, you know what? When you get it, you have to get like this with the stem.
No, not like that, Sander. You need to cut it with your finger.
This one. This one.
Do it. Throw it away?
No, you put in the.
Come on, look.
Ooh, look at this.
No, it's too small. Sander, look behind you.
Spider.
Sander, behind you. There's two big...
That one.
Ooh.
Akin na nga yung bag mo.
Oh, no. Did you pick it?
Yes. Yvette, akin na yung bag mo nga. Sige lang, sige.
Alright. Oh, this one. Look. Wow, I like it.
Tita, is this good? Tita, is this good?
It's too small.
Here, oh.
Oh wait, Tita, dito na lang here. Is this okay?
Here.
No, it's rotten.
Here.
The bottom.
Here.
Why? Why does my hand keep sticking? A hole.
Okay.
I need a new plastic.
Go get one there. Now you need to double the plastic. It's okay.
Where's the other one?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wala bang linta dito?
This one.
Sander, do not step on the big paddle. Here, oh.
Makikita mo naman pag nalalaglag, di ba?
Oh.
Tita, I found another one
Sorry.
It's good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Sorry, I got the...
Look up there, oh.
Wow, this is cool.
Not that one.
This is good, right? Yeah, is this good or not?
Yes.
It's rotten.
I don't. Wait. Look, oh, the other. Thunder.
Why does my hand always keep sticking? Even though the hat suits much better.
No, it's raining.
Now what else?
Here's thunder, oh.
Nice.
What's that? Here, oh. Oh. Can you pick it up?
There's so many bugs. That means it's rotten. There's so many bugs. Oh, there. Ooh, rotten.
Hey, show it to me.
Wow.
Show it to me. I can't see it.
That one. And then here.
Waterproof naman to, di ba? Okay. Come here.
Tita, you can get up now. It's no, we're fine.
Wow, look. Oh, it's so big. Here. You see?
Thunder, look here, oh. Where is it?
Here.
Yeah.
Shoo!
Oh my God, look!
You do like this, Sander. You do like this. You do like that so that you can see the...
It's under.
Yeah,
Right,
under the...
Yeah, that one. That one.
It's rotten.
Hey, there's another one.
How about this?
Here?
Yes. There's another one.
Here.
There's more.
Look. This one. Here. That one.
You need to get the stems under.
Yeah, this one's
No,
good.
not that one. That one is small.
This one can still eat,
Thunder.
right?
That means if you pick it, you have to eat
Oh
it.
my God. Sander, here. Come. Look. It's 3.
Wow.
Wow. Woo. It's amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Here. Other.
Ooh, there's some more over there.
Yeah.
Ngayon lang. Yeah.
It's big. Another one.
Ooh.
It's big, right? Huwag lang magpakita yung ahas sa akin.
Can get the letter.
Grabe ka naman. Thunder, here, oh. Look at that.
Here.
The other one. Yeah, that one.
You see under it, under the leaves. And then you cut it and then film it again.
Yeah.
How about this?
You stop and then you film.
Now, if you just get the smaller one, that means you have to eat it.
Ooh, oh, it's this one.
I hope that it's sweet.
Now where else can I get?
Huh?
Thunder, you know, you need to check under
Yeah, under-
the leaves.
Under the leaves.
Ooh, I
It's in
think I
there.
found one.
Huh?
This one?
Ah, yeah, you have to eat that. It's so small. Wait.
Oh, so many small ones. Small ones.
Yes.
Come here.
Only got like 6 of them. I got like less than 10. I got less than 10.
Okay, let me show it to me. Open it.
Hey, I wanna get some more.
No. Why, can you finish them all?
3, 4,
Ang
5, 6, 7, 8.
ganda.
Oh, I only got 8.
Ang ganda na.
You want more?
Okay.
Nako ba?
Baligtad ang kamay.
Oh, isang ganun pa. Tapos, tama. Wow, this is really beautiful corn. You see that? They plant it in the pot. One piece in one pot. And look at that. I think this is organic too, right? Very nice. Ang taba, my God. Very nice.